Hey, welcome back. So to begin with, let's create a circle and go to the top view, grab the line tool, and just lay down two lines like this. I want to keep this little segment and delete the rest of the circle. So first I'm going to select the circle, hit Alt-C to invoke the cut tool, then select the curve you want to use as cutter, right click to commit. I can now delete it. Now I want to split it in the middle, Alt-C again, and delete them. Now select this curve and click on mirror and mirror it across the x-axis. There we go. Then select both curves and click on join and you will end up with a single curve. Then select the curve and hit B on the keyboard and just give it a value of 0.16 and there we go. Now this is half of what we need, so hit Shift D to duplicate it. Then we want to rotate this by 90 degrees. Hold down Control and rotate it. Then we need to snap the pivot in the center of the face here. To do that, hit V key on the keyboard and snap the pivot. Make sure the snap to the grid is off, and then hold down Control and just grab the white circle on the face. Now let's make a single object. Select the first one, then hit Q and select the second one, and hit Q again to join them. So let's snap it to the origin of the scene. Hold down Control and grab the white circle. Let's get rid of the curve, then select this and rotate it by 90 degrees. Okay, so let me set my grid to 0.1 meters and turn on the snap to the grid and move it 4 units to the left. Shift D to duplicate it and move it 4 units to the right. Now let's rotate it by 180 degrees so it points the opposite direction, right? Then select both, hit Shift D again, R on the keyboard and rotate them by 90 degrees. And there it is, my pattern. However, it's not gonna work like a pattern because they are not aligned. So what we need to do is select this piece here first, hit W on the keyboard to activate the gizmo, hold down Control and snap it there. And just do the same with the others. There we go. So as you can see, now we have a perfect square inside here, and now we can use it as a pattern. Alright, let's give it a try to create like a net for the microphone. So let's click and drag and select all of them and click on rectangular array and set it to 10 maybe, and set the grid to 0.01 meters to get finer movements. Make sure they snap perfectly to each other, then go to repeat and set it to as many copies as you need. Perfect. As you can see, now we have a perfect pattern that we can use in any other 3D package.